T-Mobile claims their 5G home internet will revolutionize your connection. But is it actually worth it? Let's find out. What is it? T-Mobile's 5G home internet is a fixed wireless service that runs off T-Mobile's cell towers. Instead of cables or fiber, you get a gateway device that sits in your home and converts cellular signals into Wi-Fi for all your devices. Setup is incredibly simple. Just plug it in, download the T-Life app, and you're connected in about 15 minutes. Key features. The service offers three main plans. The Rely plan costs $50 monthly or $35 with a T-Mobile phone line. You get unlimited data with a basic gateway with decent performance. The Amplify plan runs $60 monthly or $45 bundled, featuring their latest 5G gateway with slightly faster speeds and advanced cybersecurity. The All-In plan at $70 monthly includes everything plus a mesh extender, Hulu with ads, Paramount Plus, and premium tech support. The gateways themselves are impressive. The newer white models feature LCD displays showing signal strength, 2 Ethernet ports, USB connections, and crucially, external antenna ports for boosting weak signals. The older black gateways lack antenna ports but still deliver solid performance. Pricing. T-Mobile offers competitive pricing with their 3-tier structure. The basic Rely plan starts at $50 standalone or drops to $35 with autopay and T-Mobile phone line. The mid-tier Amplified plan costs $60 or $45 bundled. Their premium All-In plan runs $70 or $55 bundled. All plans include unlimited data, no contracts, and equipment at no extra cost, though there's a $35 activation fee. If you're liking this content so far, please do subscribe. It really helps out my channel. Now let's move on to pros and cons. The biggest pros are affordability and simplicity. For many users, T-Mobile offers speeds between 250 and 450 Mbps download and 50 to 100 Mbps upload, plenty for streaming, gaming, and working from home. Setup is genuinely plug and play, and the price beats most cable alternatives. However, there are notable cons. Speed consistency varies dramatically by location, and network congestion during peak hours. Some users report drops to unusable speeds like 10 to 20 Mbps. The service uses deprioritized data, meaning you're last in line when towers get busy. Additionally, some live TV streaming services like Hulu Live and Sling TV are not compatible. Now, performance really depends on your proximity to T-Mobile towers and local network congestion. Some users get blazing 900 plus Mbps speeds, while others struggle with basic browsing during evening hours. So in conclusion, T-Mobile's 5G home internet is better for people in areas with strong T-Mobile coverage, who want an affordable alternative to expensive cable internet. It's ideal for rural customers without fiber access, renters who can't install cable, or anyone wanting to escape traditional ISP contracts and fees. However, it's not recommended for users who need guaranteed consistent speeds, heavy gamers requiring low latency, or households that consume over 1.2 terabytes monthly, as T-Mobile throttles speeds beyond that threshold. The service works best as a cable replacement rather than a fiber competitor. If you have access to quality fiber internet, stick with that. But if you're stuck with expensive cable or slow DSL, T-Mobile's offering could be a game changer. You can find useful links down below in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.